Good evening guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in tonight's video I'll show you how to fix the parameter error you get when trying to do check-in using your OKX wallet, or to claim a reward using your OKX wallet on Catizen. So this is how you fix it. I experienced it few times and I was able to solve it. So I will show you how you can solve that yourself. Let me refresh this. So let me try to use this so you can see the error. So you'll get that parameter error. So if you get this, just close the OKX app, cancel, and close this. You come to this end section, you select this menu icon, then you disconnect the wallet. So the wallet is disconnected now. You connect again, you choose OKX wallet. And this time it's going to connect. So once it connects successfully, you can now run the transaction you want to run, which I'm going to show you now. So I've connected again successfully. I'll just use free for this. This is actually what I want to use, this 75 minutes boost. So it's going to take me to my OKX now, and then this time it's going to load the pop-up for me to confirm transaction. I will then confirm with my biometric, and transaction is submitted. So if you encounter the parameter error issue from your OKX wallet, this is how you fix it. You disconnect your wallet and reconnect to OKX wallet and try again. So the 3 hours boost is activated. That's what I wanted to do with the turn. So that's how you fix this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.